The plastic limit of a soil is moisture content, expressed as a percentage of the weight of the oven dry soil at the boundary between the plastic and the semi-solid states of consistency. It is the moisture content at which a soil will just begin to crumble when rolled into a thread 3 mm in diameter using a ground glass plate or other acceptable surfaces. In this test, we need some apparatus, and they are a glass plate, some palette knives, a container, we can say that evaporating dish, porcelain evaporating dish, and brass rod for the comparison, which has 3 mm diameter and 10 cm long. And of course, we need a hot air oven and balance. Plastic limit test. As you can see, with my hand rolling over this clay particles, clay sample. This sample is, I take this sample such like the Casagrande test. It is the same soil specimen procedure, same sieve, and then this is a 3 mm diameter rod, and when my soil sample is started to crack in nearly 3 mm diameter, which has, we can say that now this soil specimen is in the plastic limit, nearly plastic limit, and as you can see, they are nearly equal diameter, and my sample started to crack. As you can see, now it's cracked in the 3 mm diameter. To reaching this point is not so much easy. As you can see, this is my hand and this is the glass. So the evaporation in the water inside the clay particles rolling over with my hand and the heat my body, some of very little amount of water evaporated, and then nearly with this rolling movement, my soil specimen, in this case this is clay, my clay specimen is reach its plastic limit. So very similar to the Casagrande water content calculation, this at least 6 grams of from this soil specimen, we can take just a little amount of clay particles inside this can, empty can, which is already, I know the weight of the can, and then I will put this soil specimen. First of all, I will weight it and then note its weight in the wet sample, and then put this sample to the oven for 24 hours, one day actually, and in the nearly 100 degree for the evaporation of water inside this soil specimen, and then it will be dry, and we will wait again. We will take and read its weight on balance, and this is that will be your plastic limit. Here there is an example for the plastic limit test result, and there are 3 different moisture cups. They have their own weight. And then after your soil sample crumbles, you take some samples, which is wet soil plus moisture cup. And then after oven dry for the 1 day, you take dry soil with moisture cup, and then you will calculate the water content, and these contents, the average of these 3 samples will be the average plastic limit for this soil.